in Japan. I'm trying the plum wine from some weird name, Kabai. It's golden, as you can see. It's like a honey type wine. Ooh, and it's strong too. It is. It's got like a honey taste to it too. That's weird. But I can still taste the plum. You still can taste the plum in it. It's strong at first, and then it eases up. It's actually pretty good. And look at that. They gave you quite a bit too there. Isn't that awesome? Golden color. Awesome. Okay, we're here at the Japan pavilion, and Michael, my son there, Meister, got the Korean beef short ribs. And as you see, he's chomping down on them. Now, these have been a big hit for the last few years. How are they, Mike?
They're pretty good.
Pretty good? Is the recipe the same as last year?
Same thing.
Is it tangy? Sweet?
Sweet.
Not spicy at all?
A little bit spicy.
A little spicy? Good tasting? Oh, awesome. Okay, this is the fried banana from Japan. Looks the same as yesterday. It's just a regular old breaded banana with powdered sugar on the top. And you do like that one, right? It's the same as every year. The breading's the same. It's still pretty good though.